G'day, how you going? So I'm going to talk about the Luminar Neo restoration tool, which only just got released recently. Pretty amazing, actually. I've had a few goes at it already, and it's like, wow. Now, when I first tried it, I was thinking, hang on, how's this working? How does it know where everything is? But it's using AI. So I asked AI how they use AI, and AI told me, I think they use stable diffusion. Like a model version of stable diffusion. That's kind of like the engine behind what's going on. So what I'll do, I'll try and experiment with some of the free stuff that you can get, like the banana one. I don't know. Google's got some nano banana. Banana. I don't know. These stupid names. Oh, by the way, Merry Christmas. It's freezing here in Sydney, so I had to put the fire on. Today was 39 degrees. Let's go. Okay, so this is one that I tried already. Now, as you can see, it's pretty scratched up. That's my dad, that's my mum, that's my brother, Sandro. There's Sandro, baby Sandro. Luminar Neo is quite easy. It's one of those ones where you just drag it in and it does it for you. And you drag it over into here. Down here, you can pick scratches, color, or full. I'll show you later. But this is what it turns out to be. That's the black and white one. Pretty good, eh? Far out. And that's AI, so I didn't muck around with the face or anything. I have seen the Aussie guy, Anthony, who does Luminar Neo. A lot of the photos are really full on getting changed by the AI. Like, you can't even recognize their face. But that's definitely my dad, and that's definitely my mum. And look at the scratches, all gone. This one here was the original. Bloody Luminar doesn't let you compare the market. But there, so bang, bada bing, bada boom. That's pretty good, eh? And then colour, how good's that? I mean, I could never colour like that. I don't even know how to colour something, like how to restore colour. That's really amazing. I mean, that really is amazing. My dad's, he looks a bit funny there with the eyes. And then if you want, you can go and, enhance it if you want. A little bit of enhancing there. Make the foreground. Sky enhance. You can even replace the sky if you want. Let's replace the sky. That's the beauty of Luminar Neo. You can actually continue the edit. So they're kind of bringing the AI into the software rather than you going out and just using the AI by itself. So you grab the photo and you drag it into restoration. Now you can get rid of the scratches, you can colorize it, or you can do both with full and then click restore. And then thinking. And it takes a while because remember, you've got to have the internet and it's got to talk back to head office. So, and you know what those guys are like over at head office. That's my mum. That's my grandmother. She died young of breast cancer. My mum died of breast cancer too. But it kind of does look a bit AI. In a situation like that, like a really precious, because that's like the only photo we have of my grandmother and my mum at that age. Like, it's very rare. This photo is really rare. I wouldn't use this. I'd do it myself. If it's something really like a good quality that you don't really need that much editing with, you could probably get away with just selectively erasing stuff yourself like that. Scratch there. Looks like Jerry's hair. Yes, she must have had a dog too. You see how like they had a painted background there. That's painted. She obviously doesn't have a tie and a suit on. So there you go. They've been restoring photos since the 1930s. This would have been 1938, 39. The erase tool is actually quite good. It's almost generatively thinking as well. Okay, here's a real challenge, Luminar. See if you can do this. This was my sister, and obviously she's my friend. She's not my friend. I hate her. I like her. She likes me. She scribbled all over it when she was a kid. And there's my sister there with the buffhead haircut. This is a really good test. So let's just drag it over. Okay, so there it is. So that took around 10 minutes, actually. That was a real hard photo. You got to hand it to Luminar Neo. They kind of did a good job because my sister really attacked that photo with the texture. But have a look what it did. I mean, it's interpreting what it thinks the person's face was. You know, like look at that girl's face there. So that's my sister's face. She looks like a chimpanzee there. There. Yeah, everyone looks distorted, man. It's using AI, so it can change the photo. As if you watch Anthony's one, it even put an eyeball in the corner. Let's try some more here. Let's look for this one. Here's quite old, so let me try and do this one. Let's move it over to restoration, and we're only going to do scratches. This was the best way to do it. Just get rid of the scratches first and then colorize it, or even just keep it as black and white. Because sometimes photos look better in black and white. You can colorize it. I was going to print it in color and black and white for a Christmas present. That's unreal, man. Look how it's made it brand new. The eyes are a bit funny. I don't know how to change that. Well, you got a spot there. Look how much hair he had. How come I didn't have that much hair when I was that young? They might have had AI back then. Yeah. And now you drag it again, the fixed photo, and you do color. So you avoid the full one. That's one hot tip. Wow, that's pretty cool. The other thing, if you try it a few times, it gives you different colors, different looks. It actually even cropped it for me, fixed up the border and everything. And then you can take that photo and move it into upscale. You can face enhancer. Oh man, what the hell? Look what it did to the face. Yeah, I've known this before. That upscale face, that face AI thing it's pretty crap, man. I mean, it completely changes the person. Okay, let's try AI. Let's try Gemini first. Fix this photo. It's loading Nano Banana. Oh yeah. Well, there you go. You don't need Luminar Neo. Although buy it and use my affiliate links because it's better. But have a look at that. Pretty much fixed it. There's a crease up here that it didn't fix, but it got rid of all the scratches. Make this photo modern. What has it done? What the hell has it done? Oh my God, that's bizarre. It's taken like Selma Hayek or something, and it's taken like Nikola Tesla or someone. It's turned them into bloody movie stars. That's the original. That's bizarre. I tell you what, AI is so funny.
How many? This would be
Casey Donovan.
Casey Donovan, that's it. This would be 2000 or something, wouldn't it?
It's ages ago.
98? Probably 98.
もうそれうまい、それも。
Jerry. Jerry.
Flat shalom.
Really is more affectionate.
Get flat, sure, Joe. Hi, Joe. What did you flat shalom get there?